Join me as I make a simple stew. Let's make our Saturday meal. I added the olive oil, thyme. I don't know why people are doing this actually. This is my first time of trying it. Let me just see if it's going to make any difference. So I guess I have to turn it around. Now cook it for 30 minutes under 200 degrees. So this is it after an hour, after 30 minutes, sorry. So I'll try and bust it now. Let me know whether the tomato is dried. Oh yeah, it's whoa, can you see that? It actually dried though. It dried, at least 50% dry. Wow. Okay, let me just slot it in and cook it for like, let's say more 10 minutes or 20 minutes. So actually I don't want to use blender, so that's why I use my food processor to roughly blend it. Okay, I want the tomatoes like this, so the thing smells so nice.
So guys, the full video of how I made this yummy delicious stew, okay, that you will not forget in a hurry, is coming up in 2 days time. Okay, so I'll take you through the details, the recipe, the details. Even if you don't know how to make tomato stew, you're going to learn. Maybe down to how I marinated the chicken and all. Okay, just anticipate.
So finally I added spring onion. So I'll just turn it now and put the heat off. So I just reduce the heat. Okay, sorry. So I'll just reduce the heat, and next 5 minutes I'll put it down. So my tomato chicken stew is ready.